If you want to bring an object back to a previous state, then you can use the Ctrl-Z combination to undo your previous actions. There is, however, a certain number of times in which you are able to do this. To control how many times you can use the undo feature in a row, go to the Edit menu, then select Preferences. From here, go to the System subsection and scroll down to where we have Memory and Limits. The only one you really need to be concerned about is the number of undo steps. 32 is a good value for most projects, but for the larger projects you may want a bit more. Keep in mind though that the more steps you have, the more it can affect your system's performance while using Blender. A good total for larger projects is 64, but keep in mind the hardware that you are using. For example, my computer has 32 GB of RAM, which is a sufficient amount of memory for setting the undo steps up to 64.